This pincer forklift by Jungheinrich is the premium product, highly ergonomic and durable. It is a combination of forklift and lifting table for the lifting, shifting and preparation of weights of up to 1,000 kilograms. With the help of the manual hydraulic system and the standard quick lift, you can raise the forks to a lifting height of 800 millimeters manual hydraulically. This way you can quickly and comfortably attain a multitude of working heights with very few drawbar strikes. Above a lifting height of 400 millimeters, the wheels lift off the ground. The side supports and the extension of the stacking pincer stabilize the forklift in the process. In its function as lifting table, you save your back and work ergonomically at individual reaching heights. Sensitive lowering of the load is carried out with both hands via the patented operating lever on the drawbar grip. The pincer forklift with lifting height up to 400 millimeters saves you time. On completion, it is moved quickly to the desired reaching height. This pincer forklift is simple to operate and supports you reliably in your work when adjusting height.